death toll in Nepal continues to rise past 3,000 after a 7.8 magnitude quake struck the country on Saturday. In this dramatic video posted to YouTube, an avalanche hurtles towards Everest Base Camp, killing at least 18 people.
The ground is shaking.
More than 400 climbers were preparing to take the summit at the time.
Oh, oh! No! Come under my jacket. Come under my jacket. Are you okay? Yeah.
You alright?
Yeah. Into the tent. Maybe in the kitchen tent. Yeah, maybe. Try. Stay together. Stay together. And we try to find the kitchen tent. Oh no, there's no kitchen tent left. No. The kitchen tent. Guys, let's go. Kitchen tent is down.
There are still many climbers stuck at the base camp of Everest, and engineers in the area say they're expecting more tremors and even the possibility of a larger earthquake to come. For Castanet News, I'm Jen Zielinski.